Auto insurance is necessary for every car owner, providing financial protection against physical damage and bodily injury resulting from traffic collisions and incidents in a vehicle. Types of auto insurance coverage options. Liability insurance covers injuries and property damage caused by the insured in an accident. Collision coverage covers damage to the insured's car from collisions with other vehicles or objects. Comprehensive coverage covers damage to the insured's car from non-collision incidents such as theft, vandalism, fire, natural disasters, etc. Personal injury protection, PIP, covers medical expenses for the insured and passengers, regardless of fault. Uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage covers costs if the insured is in an accident caused by an uninsured or underinsured driver. Ways to save on auto insurance rates. Increase your deductible. Maintain a clean driving record. Take a defensive driving course. Improve your credit score. Bundle your policies. Choose your vehicle wisely. Misunderstood facts about auto insurance. It's recommended to maintain coverage regardless of the car's age. Insurance claims won't be denied if the insured is at fault in an accident. Auto insurance provides financial protection and peace of mind in the event of accidents or unforeseen incidents. Understanding coverage options and ways to save on premiums helps in choosing the best policy for specific needs and budget. Auto insurance is essential for car owners, providing financial protection against damage and liability. Understanding coverage options, ways to save on premiums, and debunking common misconceptions ensures informed decision-making for adequate protection and peace of mind.